Java is older than some of our lecturers. Hmm, but it still runs half the world's tech. That's wild, right? Hey, welcome to this Java tutorial series. My name is GT Jaswin. If you're new to Java or the lecturer just dropped it on you like a surprise quiz, don't panic. This series got you. The first question is, what is Java? Now, Java is a general purpose object-oriented programming language. It was created back in 1995. Yeah, it is basically Gen Z's uncle. So, it was built by a team at Sun Microsystems, and guess what? The goal was write once, run anywhere. So, you can write Java code once and it can run on almost any device. No drama. And that was pretty cool. Well, why is Java relevant in 2025? Now you might be like, hey, isn't Java old? Yes. So why are we still learning it? Well, because it is everywhere. Big companies still use it. Banks, mobile apps, server stuff, even the back end of your school portal that never loads properly. Hmm, I'm kidding. It is fast, it is secure, and stable. So basically, Java is like the Toyota of programming languages. Very reliable. So, where is Java used? Java can be seen in our Android applications. So, in Android development, but you might ask, all the school apps? Yes, some of which were made by Java or what we call Kotlin. Next, enterprise software. Banks, insurance companies, and even big corporations still use Java. Some web apps run on Spring Boot for their backend servers. Also, some games and desktop app and even our common ATMs. So, what will you learn in this course? In this beginner-friendly series, we'll go from Hello World projects to building small projects that actually make sense. So we'll cover your Java syntax, variables, loops, methods, OOP, which is object-oriented programming, and also reward mini projects. Done with Java. And of course, I will make it chill, so no boring robot lectures here. So, if you're trying to pass Java this semester, or actually just want to get good at it, smash that like and hit the subscribe button. And here's a catch. If we can get this channel to at least 1,000 followers, then or subscribers, then we'll be able to drop other tutorials not only on Java but on Python, JavaScript, or even any language of your choosing. Just if you can get the highest likes in the comment section of the language you want to see in the next tutorial after this Java series. Next, you can drop any questions below using the comment section. Now, let's learn this stuff together. See you in the next one.